All right, everybody's waiting for Nova Scotia Airsoft's preseason opener played at Mersey Road to start.
You know, here, have a hot dog. You know, it's got a vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin C, calcium, protein. That's what I thought.
Gotta love the pre-game conversations.
I'm walking on the field anyway.
Hey, back will be hurting later.
Yeah.
I'm not running.
Like that.
Too old for that shit now, man.
running,
Yeah. Those years ago. I ain't out running 18-year-olds anniemore, even if I can.
Let them take the first rounds and set up. Okay, there's all the
Alright, that's where they're coming from. Good enough.
Good job.
How it is.
This is the real
4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Look at the motivation. All right, hit!
So I realized that we're not in a good spot, so too many people there. I'm going to head back and see if I can assess a different avenue to take here. So I thought this looked like a good spot, and then the guy next to me got hit, and I'm like, okay, I have not seen one enemy yet, and everyone on my team seems to be getting hit. Mr. Carrington pulls up, and same thing happens.
Hit!
So at this point, I've pushed back even further, and I'm kind of curling around the left-hand side of the field, and I'm going to see if I can see some targets here, which I do.
My boys.
So Mr. Carrington respawns, and he actually takes a wide berth around the right side of the field. So we're kind of on opposite sides of the field here, but he's run into some of our fellow teammates, so let's see what he can do.
Yep.
Okay, I'm trying to make the. I'm ready. Hit!
So I got a little too aggressive there, pushed up a little too far, and paid the price for it. Ah well, I'll be back.
Got him. One down.
I respawned. I kind of like this area, so I came back again to see if I could see any more targets that have pushed up.
Oh, there he is.
Bunker down.
Adam's just single-handedly clearing out the right side of the field.
Two of them are dead that were over there.
Down. He's down.
So now I've pushed up again. I have so many targets. I'm fixated on these three people that are one's crawling to my right, one's in that building, one's to the left. And what I don't realize is there's a sniper sneaking up on me on the left-hand side. And thankfully, he surrenders me instead of shooting me with a sniper rifle point-blank range.
Huh? Alright, thank you. I thought my team was here.
Don't put your head through a window. Hit!
So right here we have an enemy peeking their head over a bunker and doesn't realize Mr. Carrington's there.
Sorry. Sorry. Whoops.
Thankfully she had a face mask on, and that's what they're for. That's why I wear one.
So it was only him I really had to watch out for.
Oh.
He get team killed?
I think so.
Oh no! Nip shot. Nippy!
Nip's better than the tip.
Oh shit, he on our team?
Yeah, he's on our team.
Oh god.
He's in the middle of us.
Almost shot you.
There's one that just came up to the bunkers that are right beside me.
So now you're going to see Adam pull off an awesome little pistol rush here.
Oh, that was so much fun.
I think Rob's spawn camping.
Robin.
See him right there.
So we weren't quite sure where the enemy was spawning until this moment, and we realized, oh crap, we're pretty close.
Spawn camper!
So Rob tried to fall back, but it didn't work out, and they shot him.
Grenade!
What's this spawn right up there? So he's pulling back.
Yeah, I saw.
What happened?
He saw that he was up near their spawn, so he started to pull back, and that's when they shot him.
That's what you get for trying to be nice, Rob. I only have 2+1 in the gun. Another one, move him right. Got him, got him.
Holy f***, my knees hurt.
Yeah, I feel the pain as well.
Woo, hello. But,
That's the moment that we found out one of our teammates just had a baby boy. Congrats, Clarky.
Clarky's having his baby.
He should live stream it.
Oh god. And we should watch it from the field.
Yeah.
So I'd say that's a valid reason not to make it to the preseason opener.
Oh yeah, no! Put it back! Put it back!
Feel like
I didn't know it was gonna be like this!
it'll probably sound like the Nightfall fucking background.
Yeah.
Oh, what a shot.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Hit! Oh, as soon as I fucking dropped down. The decision to go out